In Tibetan Buddhism, they pronounce HUM, hum. Okay? So, Upanishad says the world started with the vibration of sound from Anantate, from infinity, from absoluteness. And there is this sound constantly vibrating from this infinity. And in India we call home. Oh, like this. But home has got three energy systems within this sound. Okay? If you take AUM, it has got three energy systems in it. AUM, hum. Okay? But this has to be chanted with a certain vibration, certain frequency. It takes a long time with a regular practice. When you do this chanting with a particular frequency, particular sound, vibration and energy, it will start drastically affecting your brain chemicals, serotonin, melatonin. So many research have been happening. It is heightened state of consciousness, altered state of consciousness. Okay? So hum is having three vibration. It has to be done in a certain methods of sound. So let me demonstrate. A, I'm keeping my mouth open, loud. Oh, mouth is small. Yum, I'm intoning. Okay? So this first stage, 10 minutes, we're going to do for 10 minutes. Afterwards, the music stops about few seconds, then we are entering the second stage. In second stage, we make the same sound, hum, universal sound, in a low pitch. First is louder, second stage is less louder. Okay? Let me demonstrate second stage. And third stage, with mouth closed, we are intoning the hum, AUM, which became constant humming. So the third stage, vibration should be very, very higher. So visualize your inside is an hollow bamboo. Through this the sound is traveling. But since the sound is traveling from your vocal cord towards the perineum, the reverse vibration started happening through the spine and vibrating in your brain. This is how humming meditation works. Okay? This is 30 minutes meditation. The last 10 minutes you can lay down or close your eyes and observe your inner vibration. Whatever changes happens within you after this mantra, this will bring drastic changes. The 10 minutes is watching the watcher. Okay? So this is called as intonation of sound. So it's in the manual. Any questions you have?